Have you ever wondered what the secret to getting rich in 2025 might be? Well, what if I told you that the difference between dreaming about millions and actually making them could be understood with a simple concept? Today, we're diving deep into the best ways to invest your money and transform your financial future. 1. Understand the performance gap. Many people follow a haphazard path in their financial journey. They rise, they fall, and often they don't quite make it to their financial goals. What distinguishes millionaires from the rest isn't just their wealth, but their laser focus on closing what's known as the performance gap. This isn't about frantically running in multiple directions or trying every new trend that emerges. Instead, it's about having a clear, steady approach towards your financial objectives. Millionaires often set very precise goals and persistently advance towards them no matter the obstacles. They understand that consistency and dedication are key to overcoming financial fluctuations and eventual success. They monitor their progress, make adjustments as needed, and continuously learn from each step, forward or backward. By embracing a disciplined approach to your financial journey, you can minimize losses and accelerate your path to wealth. It's not merely about working harder, but working smarter, identifying the most effective strategies, sticking with them, and adjusting only when necessary to ensure a direct path to financial success. 2. The secret of the value zone. Visualize a Venn diagram consisting of 3 overlapping circles. One represents what you enjoy doing, another what you excel at, and the third, what can fetch you a handsome income. The intersection of these 3 circles is what I call the value zone. This zone is crucial because it harmonizes your passions, your competencies, and market demands, key ingredients for financial success. Identifying your value zone early in your career can catapult you towards wealth much quicker than you might anticipate. It involves a deep self-assessment, pinpointing your passions, recognizing your strengths, and understanding the market well enough to know what will pay well. For instance, you might love playing music, be skilled in audio engineering, and find that there's a high demand for sound design and digital media. This combination could be your value zone. Focusing here allows you to exploit your natural inclinations and skills, while also ensuring that your efforts are lucratively compensated. The trick is to balance these elements so that your career not only brings satisfaction, but also financial security and growth, propelling you towards a richer life, both personally and financially. 3. Choosing the right vehicle. Consider this crucial decision. If you had to choose, would you prefer owning $1 million in assets or earning $1 million each year? To achieve either or both, you'll need 2 different strategies, like 2 distinct vehicles on your road to riches. The first vehicle is for generating active income. Picture this as a swift motorbike, agile and quick, perfect for navigating the fast-paced avenues of earning through businesses or careers. This vehicle is all about speed and efficiency, getting you from zero to financial gain as quickly as possible. On the other hand, the second vehicle is your investment strategy. Akin to a sturdy sidecar attached to your motorbike, it's reliable and steady, designed for the long haul. This vehicle works passively, compounding gains over time and building your wealth with minimal daily effort. Together, these vehicles offer a balanced approach to financial growth, active efforts accelerated by strategic passive income investments. The key is to manage both effectively, ensuring they are well tuned to your financial goals and risk tolerance, steering you towards your ultimate wealth objectives. 4. Start with a service-based business. Launching a business when funds are limited can seem daunting. However, a service-based business emerges as an ideal option, especially when you're just starting out. This type of business leverages your current skills and knowledge, requiring little more than a laptop to begin. With minimal financial outlay, you can offer services that reflect your expertise and passions, whether it's consulting, writing, designing, or coaching. This aligns seamlessly with your value zone, allowing you to monetize your natural talents and existing capabilities without the overheads associated with product-based businesses. Additionally, the scalability of service-based businesses means you can expand your offerings as your market understanding and client base grow. Starting simple doesn't just minimize initial costs. It also provides flexibility to adapt quickly to market changes, learning from direct feedback, and improving your services dynamically. By focusing on areas where you excel and that are in demand, you set a solid foundation for financial success, paving the way for more substantial ventures, or investment opportunities as your business and capital grow. 5. Smart investing, passive income. Delving into investing, consider it your passive vehicle on the journey to wealth accumulation. Not a sprint to quick gains, but a marathon towards substantial, sustainable wealth. Investment apps are an example of tools that facilitate this strategy by allowing you to invest in a wide range of stocks. This approach leverages the power of compound interest, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. By regularly investing a fixed sum into diversified portfolios, you harness the potential of markets to grow your initial investment exponentially over time. This method is less about timing the market perfectly and more about time in the market, consistently contributing and letting the natural fluctuations work in your favor long term. Many of these platforms offer educational resources to help refine your investment strategy, ensuring you're well equipped to make informed decisions. Whether you're a novice looking to make your first investment or an experienced investor diversifying your portfolio, smart investing is about patience, persistence, and steady growth, laying a robust financial foundation that can support your future aspirations. 6. Automate your investments. Automating your investments can significantly enhance your financial strategy by systematically allocating funds across various assets, thus diluting risk and amplifying potential returns. New types of platforms in particular allow you to set up automatic investments in a mix of stocks such as Tesla, Meta, and Google. This automation ensures you maintain a consistent investment schedule, which is crucial for capitalizing on the benefits of dollar-cost averaging. By investing a regular amount at set intervals, you reduce the impact of volatility by purchasing more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, averaging out the investment cost over time. Moreover, these platforms provide the flexibility to adjust your investment allocations according to changes in your financial goals or in response to market conditions. This hands-off approach not only simplifies the investment process but also helps in adhering to a disciplined investment strategy, minimizing the temptation to make impulsive decisions based on market highs and lows. For those looking to build wealth while focusing on other life goals, automating your investments is a smart move, ensuring your money is continually working for you, fostering a robust portfolio that grows with you. 7. Overcome the multi-income trap. Many aspiring investors believe that the key to financial success lies in juggling multiple income streams right from the start. However, this approach can actually hinder progress by scattering your focus and diluting efforts. It's crucial to hone in on one or two primary sources of income initially, and master these channels before considering diversification. This strategy ensures that you're not stretching yourself too thin and are able to maximize efficiency and profitability in your chosen areas. Once you've secured a stable and robust financial base from these main sources, you can then look into adding more streams. This could involve investing in different asset classes, starting a side business, or developing passive income avenues. By focusing on building each source of income to its potential before moving on to the next, you ensure each is well established and less likely to fail. This methodical approach not only stabilizes your financial landscape, but also positions you better for handling more ventures simultaneously without compromising the performance of each. 8. Manage your resources. Wisely, to build wealth effectively, it's essential to manage your resources, money, time, and energy, wisely. Start by taking a simple sheet of paper and creating a resource allocation chart. List down all your activities and how much of these 3 key resources they consume. This visual representation will clearly show where your resources are going and help identify areas for optimization. For instance, you might discover that too much time is spent on tasks that do not contribute significantly to your wealth or well-being. By reallocating your time from less productive activities to those that directly impact your financial goals, you can significantly accelerate your wealth-building process. Similarly, analyzing how you spend your money will highlight unnecessary expenditures that could instead be invested in more lucrative ventures. Finally, consider your energy expenditure by identifying tasks that drain your energy without offering proportional returns. Streamlining your life to focus on high-return activities and minimizing resource wasters is a powerful strategy to speed up your journey to financial independence. This disciplined approach ensures that every dollar, every minute, and every ounce of energy is optimally utilized towards achieving your financial objectives. 9. Tackle obstacles head on. In your journey towards financial prosperity, you will inevitably encounter obstacles. These barriers can be daunting, ranging from personal doubts to professional challenges that seem insurmountable. The key is not to view these as mere roadblocks, but as opportunities to strengthen your resolve and refine your strategies. Facing these obstacles head-on requires courage and a proactive mindset. Instead of making excuses or avoiding them, assess each challenge critically and devise practical solutions to overcome them. This could involve seeking advice from mentors, investing in personal development, or adjusting your business model to better navigate the complexities of the market. Each obstacle you conquer not only enhances your skills, but also builds resilience, making you more adept at handling future challenges. Moreover, overcoming these hurdles often provides valuable insights into your operations and personal capabilities, revealing areas that need improvement and highlighting your strengths. By actively addressing and resolving these issues, you move closer to your financial targets, fortified with the knowledge and experience gained through each challenge. 10. Never stop learning. The landscape of finance and business is perpetually evolving, with new technologies, emerging markets, and shifting economic conditions. To remain competitive and maximize your financial potential, adopting a mindset of continuous learning is crucial. The knowledge you acquire today lays the groundwork for success tomorrow. Engage actively with the latest industry news, participate in workshops, and pursue courses that enhance your understanding of new tools and strategies. This ongoing education is not limited to formal settings. Practical experiences, networking with other professionals, and even self-teaching through online resources are invaluable. By staying informed and adaptable, you can anticipate market changes more effectively and make decisions that capitalize on emerging opportunities. Moreover, the process of learning fosters innovation and creativity, which are essential for developing unique solutions and ventures that can set you apart in a crowded market. Investing in your education is investing in your financial future. Each new skill and piece of knowledge not only fills gaps, but also expands your ability to generate and manage wealth more proficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button to join us on the journey to financial freedom and never miss out on ways to enrich your future.